Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Rachel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. So, I know this video is going up a little later than normal, but I'm filming it on Friday for you guys because this is the only time I've had. I'm super busy with work. I've been working almost every single day, trying to also find time for Sean and my friends, and it's just been a crazy last couple days. So, I'm filming this on a Friday, and it's going up the same Friday. So today I'm going to be organizing my messy closet here, this whole situation. So my clothes are not bad, and like up top isn't bad. Like you can see those bins up there, that's not bad, but like down here and in this little drawer thing is so bad. So I'm going to be going through all of that. I'm also going to go through like all my clothes and make sure that everything's on hangers right and that I don't need anything. I did this the other day, kind of. I went through like all my name brand stuff like Victoria's Secret and Hollister, American Eagle, all that kind of stuff. And I donated it to a local place and made some money off of it. I do have more stuff that's in my car currently that I'm going to go through, take pictures of, and post on my Depop. So, if you guys want to buy maybe some of my clothes, go follow me on Depop so that way you guys don't miss out. And yeah, a lot of this stuff that's in these bins are just like old t-shirts and crap that like I don't wear anymore, that are like just need to either be donated to like Goodwill or something, or need to like go somewhere. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Most of these things are probably not going to be sold just because they're old and gross, and I don't want to sell something that is old and gross to you guys. That's just not right. So I'm probably going to donate everything. I need to go through these entire bins because I have stuff from like work from last summer. I have stuff from school. I've been out of school now for over a year now, almost a year and a half. And so yeah, like it needs to go. And then the top one's just like a junk drawer, so like that needs to be just completely, everything needs to be just like thrown out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse, and I'm gonna do that for you guys. I'm gonna try to move the angle around so you guys don't get bored. I don't know, there's not much room in this room. This is actually my parents' bedroom. If you guys don't know, I don't have my own like bedroom here in my parents' condo. I sleep on a Murphy bed in the living room / dining room area. And so there's 2 closets in this room. So this one ended up being mine, and then my parents share the other one. This is my mom's. Like we have different stuff. My rest of my clothes are in a dresser out in the living room. It's actually like our TV entertainment thing. So yeah, if you want me to do an organizing of that, I need to do that soon. So let me know if you guys want to see an organizing of that as well. So yeah, I'm planning on, after I do this video, I know this is a lot of talking and stuff, but planning on doing like trying on everything in my closet once I go through everything, so that way it's not a bunch of junk that I'm trying on. It's like actually stuff that I'm gonna wear, so that way, yeah. So I'm gonna do that soon too. But I have been working a lot. Football season is starting, so I'm gonna be inside again. And then also they need me outside at the pool. So like, it's gonna be a little crazy for the next couple weeks. So I'm trying to pre-film videos on my days off, but this video like crept up on me. So I'm trying to film this before I go to work. I go to work at 5. It is like 1:30 right now. So I need to get this done before like 3:30 so I can get ready for work. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so right now this is my floor. So those clothes are all going in my dresser, so I have to put those away. These are the clothes right now I'm giving away. This is random stuff that I have no idea where I'm putting yet. Well, the shoes aren't, but like, I haven't gotten there yet. Bathing suits, clothes that need to be hung, and then these are my bags. So, I think I'm going to continue to go through those, so that way everything's empty and I can figure out where I need to put everything. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So this stuff is organized. This is pretty organized on top. It's just like, it looks good. And then this is still like a junk drawer, but it's like more organized than ever. I kept all my work stuff in here because I have really nowhere else to put it, and it just works out there. And then I put more school stuff in there, so that way that is just school stuff and it's organized. Like, now I know, like, okay, this is still my junk drawer, but like, it has a purpose now, like, kind of thing, instead of just a bunch of random likeness. Like, I went through it, kind of. Now I'm gonna move this basket out of the way, organize all my clothes, go through this a little bit, but I think it's all like good because I have top ones like all phone and Apple and all that kind of stuff, so like there's nowhere else to really put that. This is all like sandals, and if I leave them out like at the bottom of my closet and on the shoe rack, they end up everywhere, so that's the best place for them. And then the bottom one is sneakers, and I still have like this random bag that's full of a bunch of junk. I honestly think I'm just gonna toss it because it's like, there's no purpose to it anymore. Like, I haven't gone through it in months, and I think I'm just gonna legit take the bag and just toss it because I don't need it, and everything in here is just pointless at this point. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I have so far. Yeah, I forgot to film. I took a lunch break with my parents, so yeah, and I've just been going at it for the last like 2 hours or so. So I'm going to show you guys what I have so far. The only stuff left on my floor right now is the stuff I'm giving away, extra hangers, a curling iron that I need to put up, and then the clothes that I need to put away that I'm going to put away later because I need to go to work. But okay, yeah. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually going to put this curling iron up here where it belongs, and then yeah, so I got all my bags in this giant bag and shoved it up there, and then I have the ones that I use like most of the time down there, so I don't have to keep going up there. All my clothes are hung. I have my dresses back here, Christmas stuff, random, I don't even know, I didn't go through that, so whatever, bathing suits, bathroom stuff, stuffed animals that I still have from my childhood, my suitcase, I couldn't think of the word, more bathroom stuff in both those bins. This just has like random decorations and stuff like that. The bags, and then up top in sealed bags, because sometimes we have leakage from upstairs, we have my baby box, a photo album, and my Adora doll. That's like an expensive doll. And then yeah, my shoes. Told you guys what was all in that. Bags there. And then dresser thing. Oh, I still have that to put away. Okay, let me finish. Alright guys, so I'm all finished with my closet. So the only thing left is to put my clothes away in my dresser. But yeah, I gotta go now to work and take a shower and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.